Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to discuss about the how you can start preparing yourself for AI career while doing the graduation or post graduation. Number two, if you are already done with the graduation or post graduation, you are at an early career stage, this video is also perfect for you. You only need to follow the approach. Okay, this is a dream of every student actually. They want to be the job ready while they are doing graduation because this is their dream. That's why they are spending so much money, time, dedication, hard work, right? So this is they are doing. Why are you doing? Because you want to get a high paid jobs. That's why this is one of the biggest reason everybody want to switch into the AI, but there is a nobody who can like show them the path correctly, right? Because whenever you open the Google, you just start searching how should I learn the AI, several suggestions will come up, right? And sometimes you got frustrated, oh my god, I need to learn these much topics along with my curriculum academic, from where I would take out the time. I have a no time because I'm already doing the graduation. So in that situation, what you will do, you will wait to you will wait to finish your graduation first, and then you will start working on your AI. If you are not doing the degree actually in AI, maybe you are doing the non-technical degree, maybe you are doing the computer engineering, you are doing the let's say you are a BTech, right? Any kind of the engineering, but in between your dream is to like join any AI job role after completing your graduation. So I am going to give you the solution of all these things. You can consider me as your mentor, you can consider me as your instructor, whatever you like. I'm with you. Okay. I have also done my graduation, post graduation from India. So I can understand your level of pressure on your head seated till you don't complete your graduation or post graduation. The biggest challenge for you, I can understand, every subject is going to be changed after 6 months. Till you start understanding any subject, even it's a programming language, let's say in a first semester they are teaching you C++. You will start trying to understanding it at a deeper level, or it just start you taking start taking the interest in that, your semester is done. Then again in the new semester you will learn the new language, so you forgot the previous language actually because you don't get a time to practice on that. You didn't get a chance to do many projects on that. In one semester, how many projects you will do? Maximum 4 or 5, right? According to your subjects area. I have done the same. Sometimes there is a no, too much projects. The projects are only in the final semester. This has also happened. So that's why you got restricted up to the academic curriculum. You are not able to think out of the box due to the time management, due to the level of pressure. How much you will take in a one day? It's not possible, right? To take a too much in your head every day. First, you will spend 5 to 8 hours, right, in the university or in the college. Then you will come to home. You need a rest, right? After that, you need to finish your assignments. This is what happened usually. This happened with me too. But you know what I did? I was actually fond of C language in my time. I didn't get a chance properly to learn C language in during the college, like according to my academic curriculum. What I did, I joined the extra classes. I have learned it. I bought a new books. I used to do the practice on daily basis. I spent daily 1 hour to doing some small projects. And my dream was actually my dream job was to become software engineer in my time. But I achieved it. Okay. So by grace of God, what I thought about my career, I have achieved everything. That's why I'm here today. Okay, so I wanted to share with you my all experience, and I am going to give you the solution to your these small problems which are restricting you to think out of box, to spend a time while doing graduation, to get a job ready once you are done with your graduation. So you don't need to spend extra time on that as I did. Okay, so because at my time there was a nobody to guide me. You should learn this at this time. You should do these projects. It will help you to build your strong job portfolio. You should build your profile on the LinkedIn. Nobody was there. I built my own path. So I'm going to share with you all those paths so you don't need to struggle after completing your graduation. You will get job ready for AI roles while completing your graduation. So listen me carefully till the end of the video. Okay. And if you are new to my channel, if you like the video, at the end, you can please hit the like button, subscribe, and don't forget to click the bell icon button. Okay. Let me open the whiteboard. Okay, so here you are going to learn two things today. The first one is how to learn AI while doing graduation. So you don't need to waste time after completing your graduation, okay? You can do things parallelly. Plus, how to get job ready while doing graduation. Biggest challenge I have already told you, your time management, pressure of the academic curriculum to finish it up, completing your assignments, projects, and the most important, your subject or programming language is changing in every semester. So you don't get a chance to work on that, right? Okay. So now, whenever you are thinking to switch into the AI and you are doing the graduation in any field, okay, either it's a tech or non-tech. I'm not I'm considering you are not doing the AI like the pure AI graduation. Okay, if in any case you are doing the AI graduation too, but you are not sure on which skill I should focus more, because they are going to teach you fundamentals actually. Even you are doing the AI graduation. That's why student does the extra certifications even after completing the degree or graduation in AI too, because the academic scores are not enough. You cannot get a job only based on the academic scores. You should show, if you want to stand out in the job market, you want to show your expertise, you need to put some extra efforts. Okay. But you are lucky if you are still doing the graduation. Okay. And you want to become AI, you have already set your goal. Then for me, you have taken the best decision for your career, and you are the best one who is thinking about your your future. This is very important. This is the right age to think about your goal. Okay, so the very first thing you need to do, what is the step one? Set your goal. Okay, don't rely on these things like because AI is in the boom, right? So I will switch my career in AI, right, to get a high paid job. But did you ever try to think what you want to become, right? Okay, if you have already think you want to become data scientist, data analyst, business analyst, did you try even search what is the correct path? What are the skills you need to do mastery? There is a no role which require all skills. Even in the development, even in the any other stream, every job role has the different skills you need to be mastered, right? So set your goal. This is the very important, most important. Okay, this is the most important your step. What you need to set in this? You need to set what you want to be. Okay, let's say you want to become data scientist, you want to become data analyst, machine learning engineer, data engineer, NLP engineer, right? Whatever you want to become. right? This is your choice. Now, this is your first step. If you are done with this is great. You can drop a comment what you want to become. So if you need a guidance on the specific skills, I will definitely reply. Okay. Step 2. Now, once you decided I want to become data analyst, let's start with the data analyst, right? I will talk about the top AI job roles, not all. I have made the one video in my, I think last month, like in which I am defining each and every role. I think I have defined top 13 or 10 roles with their job description and their role responsibility and with their package. So you can watch that video. But today our goal is just to make you understand how you can achieve your and get job ready while doing your graduation. Okay. So let's say you decided you don't want to become data analyst. Okay. So I will make it full here. Analyst, right? Now your second step should be just think about it what analyst does. Okay. So they work with the dashboard, work with dashboards. Okay. Reports. They prepare the reports. They need to extract the data, right? And they also need to do the visualization too. Okay. They also need to do the visualization too. So for these things, if you are going to do these things, what you need to learn, what will be your core skills? This is you need to think first. Take a copy and pen, write down your goal, write down the position, okay, and then the core skills you need to work on. Okay, just forget about right now academic curriculum. Just think about it. Okay, so for this you need to learn definitely Python. You need to, it is optional. Excel, you can also learn the Excel. Learn any database, SQL, whatever you like. Okay. And then you can also work on the here Tableau. You should learn the one any third party tool or either Power BI. Okay. Now these are the 4 skills you need to work on. Okay. But these are, I am also this is belong to your academic skills. Academic skills means this is not related to your soft skill. I'm not talking about your graduation academic curriculum. I'm talking about in a like the separate from that. Okay. Just forget about your curriculum. So this is academic skills. This is mandatory. Just fit in your mind if you want to become data analyst. But on top of that, they also demand for your communication skills. I have seen many students in my experience, they are very excellent in these academic skills, very excellent. Nobody can beat them. Okay. But the problem is they are not able to communicate these things to the stakeholder. And during the interview too. That's why they got rejected. You need to take care of at this point actually. Because you have a lot of time right now. What you can do, if you are spending 20 minutes on Python, spend a 5 minute on your communication skills. Just start reading the articles, increase your vocabulary, increase the way how you can explain about the AI in a non-technical way. Either the stakeholder is technical or non-technical. The way you are explaining, it should be non-technical. This is important for data analyst actually, because your direct connection is with the stakeholder. You should be very clear, very precise how you are going to communicate with the stakeholder. They are not there to listen your the whole theory. They are only interested in the results. This is your job to tell them what is the goal, what you are going to do, and what do you recommend. That's it. They need only these 3 things from you. So increase your communication skills, improve it along with your these skills. Okay, slowly we will come in the next steps how much time you should spend. Okay, right now just try to understand this. So this is your first position. I'm just exploring the way how you need to think about your goal. Don't only think I want to become data analyst and you don't know anything about the data analyst. Now your second here under this step 2, just list down your target company. List down target company. You might have, you should have, right? Every student have the target, like the target or dream company you want to work with. Start reading them about. How do you can get the interview call, what is the minimum eligibility criteria, what skills they are looking for. Start knowing about their interview question and answers. Just keep on reviewing that. How much time it will take? Whole day after the college you might be seated on the social media, right? Why are you wasting your time? Just look for these things. Just it will take just your 10 minutes, not more than that. Okay, it will help you to set up your it will take you actually close to your goal, these things. Okay, then you don't need to wait after completing graduation to prepare yourself for the interview and to do these things. This is important. This is where the student lack. Student only focusing on the academic, they forgot about these things, and later on they start working on this and they are getting late again late. Okay, so they do this. Make keep a copy, keep a notebook with the pen, write down your dream company, right? Make a path. I need to do this one. This is the way how you will achieve your goal. This is the way you will work on. In my time, nobody was able to explain. Nobody explained me like this way. I found my path on what is the right strategy to achieve your goal. Okay, and then you need to follow all these three things for your each role actually. Okay, now if you want to become the data scientist, then they build the actually model, they build models. If this is something interest you, then you can go with the this data scientist position, and maybe you have already dream about it, then you need to learn all these skills too and more skills too. I'm not restricting you, you become data scientist or data analyst, choice is your. My goal is to tell you which skill you need to work on for what position. Okay, and then finding insights. And apart from this, you need to work on the solve business problem, right? This is what the data scientist does. They don't prepare the reports, but they solve the business problems. They build the machines, right? Evaluate it. So what core skills you need to work on this? Along with this one, you don't need to do these things for the data scientist, but you again, communication is a must for AI. Just keep it in your mind. Communication is a must mandatory skill. You should be very good storyteller. This is the must point. Okay, must skill. So here again, communication plus scikit-learn. This is your Python library. Okay, scikit-learn, and you should be very good in decision making too. Same with this one, right? So decision making, communication skills, critical thinking, right? Analytical thinking. This is mandatory in AI. This is the basic skill and mandatory skill. You have to work on this. Okay. And then you need to work on model building, where you will work on machine learning algorithms. Okay. And then evaluation. So this is you need to work on. This is the core skills. Okay. So what libraries you will do? Scikit-learn, Pandas, Matplot, Seaborn, NumPy, right? And your other libraries, model selection, train, test, split, these kind of the libraries. You can watch my video too. Okay. And then if you are dreaming about the next role, that is machine learning engineer. These people creates and optimize predictive algorithm. Okay, this is a duty of this one. So for these, like for machine learning engineer, again the core skills are required. scikit-learn, deep learning, and API. Okay, I would like to add the API here too for the data analyst here. Okay, so you need to learn here web API or maybe web scraping. Do this, okay? And this is you need to learn for machine learning engineer. Okay, this is very important. And then we will move ahead for the next position, that is your NLP or computer vision. This is very high in demand, you know, computer vision. So they work with the text actually. Voice, images. Okay. And what core skills you need to work on if you want to become this one? You need to work on transformers, OpenCV, Hugging Face, and CNN, RNN. This is all deep learning actually. Okay. And after that, might be you are interested in AI product development. Okay. So what these people does, it turns the model into real world apps. Okay. And tools. So what core skills you should do learn in this? Core skills for this one is Flask. Flask is one of the Python framework. We use it for deployment. Fast API, Streamlit, and deployment. Because you are going to deployment here. You are not going to build the model. You are not going to do the analysis. Your job is only to for the deployment. Okay. You should have the knowledge about the machine learning, but not at a that much deeper level. So you can understand the process while you are deploying it, right? If something come up, you can fix the small issues. Okay. So these are the like the strategy I want to like bring your attention here. What you need to do first, set your position, what you want to become. Number two, list down your dream company. Number three, start looking for the interview questions they are asking for. Maybe you are thinking, Nisha, this is too early. No, this is not early. This is the right time because your mind will start working in that direction only when you will start working in that. Otherwise, after 4 years, you will get stuck. This is the right time. You have a lot of time. Instead of spending your time on the Facebook, Instagram, just spend on this. It will take only your 5 and 10 minutes. Okay. And then you should understand the core skills now according to your like the dream job. If you are already doing the AI degree or technical degree and they are teaching you these topic, then it will strike in your mind, I need to masters in this thing because they are teaching you the fundamentals, but you can learn along with your academic curriculum, you can connect yourself, your extra effort with your academic curriculum too. This is the biggest advantage if you already know on which skills you need to work. Okay. And now this is the like about your first step. This was the big picture of your goal actually. Okay. Now we will move ahead with your second step. Okay. Step two. Okay. So here you like skills I am going to talk about you must learn. Must learn skills. What skills I am going to telling you? This is the must learn skills for everyone, for every position. Okay, for every position you need to learn this along with your academic curriculum. Okay, time management, definitely we will talk about that thing as well. Okay, just try to understand right now. The first one is your Python programming. I have built very good videos on the Python programming. Learn the Python programming in 90 minutes. Learn the Python programming in 10 minutes, in which you will get the introduction to the main functions. So just watch those videos. I have also made the playlist do's and don't as well for the programming, how you can be expert. So watch those videos. Okay. Python programming, and then you need to work for your maths for AI. Okay. So in this, you need to work on linear algebra. I will tell you very good website. Okay. You can follow that. Probability, statistics. You can follow my statistics playlist too. Okay. I upload the statistics video not regularly because I'm working on actually machine learning. But definitely I keep uploading more videos too. I have the playlist. Okay. And if you have any problem like on a specific topic, feel free to ask me. The best website for this is, I will tell you. You are going to love this website, you know. Math is fun. Note down this website. Math is fun. Okay. The third mandatory skill for all of you is data analysis. I built the recently very good video on the data analysis. Just watch that video. Very easy. I always try to make my videos very easy and as a layman, so you don't need to spend too much time to understand them. Okay, with pandas and numpy. Okay, and also like data visualization with the Seaborn plus Matplotlib. Okay. And the fifth skill is your most important, machine learning. This is one of my favorite. I love machine learning. Deep learning is more interesting than machine learning. You know, you don't need to be afraid from this. Machine learning or deep learning, very interesting. Once you dive in this, you are going to love it. Okay. Scikit-learn, you need to mastery in this, like the library. And the next one is Git version control. This is mandatory. Don't forget to learn about it. Yesterday, I upload the one video how you can make the portfolio on the GitHub. Just watch that. Okay. Okay. So these are the mandatory skills fitting your mind. Without this, you can't survive in AI. This is for sure. Either you want to become NLP engineer, machine learning engineer, AI development. These, I'm not saying for all positions you need to do the mastery, but for some positions you should have the basic knowledge. But this is the mandatory skill. For example, if you want to become the software engineer, you should be aware with the HTML, CSS, web scraping, right? But you should master only in your programming language C++, right? So you don't need to be master in the CSS or HTML, but you are learning, right? To become a full stack developer, right? So this is the same way with AI, okay? And these are the mandatory skills. Definitely, I will guide you to. Like you can follow up me on my YouTube channel, and you can also look at my website too, Science Data Science. Okay. I used to post the articles too. And if you need a help, I'm soon planning to start my live sessions too, by following the full curriculum of AI. Okay. So if you are interested, just drop a comment. Okay. Because it helps me to I feel motivated and I really want to help you, but I need a feedback from you too. Okay. And then now we will move ahead with your third part of your AI journey. The step 3, Start building project. This is the most important part, right? I know you will be able to do these above skills. You will start learning, but the most important thing is you work on a small project. This is great, but upload that project on the GitHub too to build your strong job portfolio. Okay, so how you can divide these project list? You should start with the beginner level. Start first with the beginner level projects. Don't try to jump with the complex project. I always say in my video, always work with the beginner level project first, so it will motivate you because you have solved the problem. It will build your confidence and it will take less time. You will understand the process, so many advantages, and then jump for the intermediate level, then advanced. Why are you in so hurry? You still have a lot of time. Okay, and then start with the house sale price. This is the very good problem to solve about the regression and iris data set. Best I have seen, this is the best your data set for classification. Okay, and spam email detection. Okay, start with these three projects. I'm not asking you to do 10, 15 projects, just three projects. Even if you do it in a 6 months, that's okay. Okay, and then this is your first step, right? And then now you understand the process. You understood the process. You understood how it is working, how the visualization is done, everything, right? And now start with the intermediate. Then do some sentimental analysis. A chatbot, not chatbot, we will do the chatbot in a advanced level. Movie recommendation. You will find this project in my playlist. Okay. Okay. And the third point is advanced. Do some this project, object detection, AI chatbot. Okay. And then just do some medical diagnosis. And resume screener. You will find this project on my playlist. Okay. Now just look at it carefully. I know if you don't, you are at a beginner level, but these three projects will show your expertise in different type of machine learning because it will cover up your regression, supervised machine learning and regression and classification both. Interviewer will have a confidence you know about the classification regression, which is the most basic fundamental algorithm in machine learning. After doing this, interviewer will have a confidence you know about the your text analysis, you know how to handle that kind of the data. Okay, and unsupervised machine learning, this is supervised machine learning, this is unsupervised. And then these projects will show your expertise in the your computer vision, deep learning. This is also a part of deep learning, but this is a like it will show your text analysis skills too. So that's why I have chosen these projects. Okay, this is not the random projects, this is defined by your skills. This is what the interviewer want. They don't want the generic project, they want some real time example. Once you are done with these projects, even you do these projects in a 3 years, right? You do one project in a 2 months or 3 months, this is your choice. But even if you do the three projects in a 1 year and you still have a 3 years left, right? So you are done with the 9 projects. After that it build your strong confidence and it motivates you. You will be able to work on any complex project, believe me. This is the biggest mistake I have done in my time. Nobody was there to guide me. Follow this, while you are doing graduation? Why are you only focusing on the academic curriculum? Nobody is going to give you the job based on your marks. I was a topper actually in my time. Still, I did a lot of struggle. Okay. And then we will jump on to the step 4. Build your online presence. This is also students lack in this. Today I used to teach many students, they are working in healthcare department, they are doctors, some are engineers, some are working in any company, right? I used to teach every age of the student, working, non-working, and I used to teach the students from your very good universities too, from USA, from Canada. But I have seen the biggest problem with them, they don't have an online presence and they don't have this job portfolio. That's why they are struggling. Okay, believe me. So this is the thing. Build your online presence doesn't mean on Facebook or Instagram. I'm talking about here, you're the presence on LinkedIn, GitHub, where you will upload these all projects. Okay. The third one is your Kaggle competitions. Participate in this Kaggle competitions. I will show you what is this, okay? And then fourth is your start writing blog. Start writing articles. Post articles on LinkedIn, Medium. Build your presence actually. So everybody start knowing you. Who are you? What are you doing? Don't feel shame. Don't feel shy. You are at a starter level. Who is going to read my article? Who is going to look at my GitHub profile? No, you have to start from somewhere. I also started from somewhere. The students or the people who are very successful today, they were like you, right? I was like you when I started. I was same in the same situation. Nobody in knew about me at that time, but I built my presence. Okay, so you need to do the same thing. That's it. How you can do that? If you are finding issue, I am there. Okay, but I will show you. Start posting anything what you are learning. Okay, you can post the articles, join the AI communities, AI groups, because you will find the your like-minded people which will help you to think in that direction. You are going closer to your goal. Just fit in your mind. If you are following these all things I am sharing with you, you are going closer to your goal. You will get job ready and expert in AI once or while you are doing graduation. Okay, now the next step is I will show you these all three things. Okay, and then step 5. Now, time management actually. This is the biggest problem of any student. I can understand, right? It's very hard. But if you really want to be successful in your career, you have to do extra effort. Without extra effort, can never be successful. This is for sure. Okay. I need your dedication. I need your patience. I need the extra effort. Okay. And as a mentor, I'm working for you. Okay. And now what you should do. Suppose you are in the first year. Okay. In the first year, just learn Python. Even in your academic curriculum, they are teaching you any other language, learn that, because I don't want you to you get a less marks, right? In your academic curriculum. This is also important, right? Because you are spending too much money and you are doing the degree. This is the most important part. But from that, just start learning the Python. Okay. because every language has like its own logics, right? And code. Python is very easy actually. It's just like English language. You are going to love this. I have done the C, C++, JavaScript, React, uh, PHP. I have done so many languages, but I love Python. I have done Java too because I love programming actually. Okay, so this is like you should learn the Python. Okay, and then explore AI. Like I told you about, just list down your dream companies, your roles, and just to start looking what your dream company is looking for right now. And you will get an idea slowly, slowly. If you're continuously following it, then you will be very good, have a awareness about the job market. You don't need to ask anybody after 4 years, right? So you will get an idea if today the company is demanding for this thing and you are following them since the 4 years. In the fourth year, you will come to know I need to work on this. I have already worked on this. At that time, you will not be worried. You will be very happy. Okay. And then in the second year, dive into machine learning. Okay, because under Python you will cover up the libraries. Which one? Seaborn, Matplot, NumPy, right? Data visualization analysis, and you are exploring the AI as I told you how. So you are going, you can work on this first year. Now you can assume how much time you have. But if you are going to do all these things after the 4 years, then you will try to finish it in a 6 months. And what is the result? No preparation, because you are in so hurry, you have a so much burden. Oh, I am not prepared, I need to prepare for interview, I need to prepare for technical interview, soft skills, I need to improve that one, I need to look for the LinkedIn, I need to build my online presence, I need to build my portfolio. So how much work you will do in a 6 months actually, which you are not able to do in a 4 year. So just to think in that way. This is the mistakes I have done in my time. Okay, so don't do that actually. Okay, and then you can build here small 2 to 3 projects. Okay, I'm just giving you the my idea, but you can shuffle it according to your time management. Okay, but I will give you the tips to how I used to actually work in my college time. Here you can focus on your internship if your college is like asking you to do the internship, and then start with the deep learning. Okay, and resume building. Now you will say, Nija, this is too early. We are in the third year. No, this is not early. You know why? Because if you can give a try, right? Because when you are applying for the internship, you need to send the resume too. It will help you to understand how the companies are rejecting or accepting your resume. You can try in the small companies, but don't lose your interview call or the chance in the big companies. Start with the small companies. Otherwise, what happen? Student will directly apply in the big companies, and if resume is rejected, they are not able to apply the next 6 months. Don't lose that chance. Okay, prepare yourself. Start preparing from the small companies. Work somewhere. Work volunteer. Okay, so I know in India we don't do the volunteer too much, but believe me, volunteer is the best way, and or you can start the freelancing too. Okay, in the fourth year, start publishing your project, whatever projects you have done. Either if it's a technical, your technical degree, you have those projects related to AI, then upload those one as. Otherwise, the projects I have told you, just publish them. Okay, on the GitHub and start applying jobs. Don't wait to finish your degree. Just start applying. Okay. But there is a one good strategy how to apply. Okay. So if you need a help, just let me know. And polish your interview skills. This is you need to do. Okay. Now, here, these are the 5 steps I wanted to share with you. So I will give you the here the quick recap. Number 1, learn by doing. Okay. Till you don't start, you can't achieve your goal. Number 2, build and publish projects. Build your online presence. Okay. And join AI communities. Okay. Take a part in a Kaggle competition. Take a part in Kaggle competitions. And apply early, don't wait. Apply early for job, right? Don't wait to finish your degree. Okay. Now, to land your actually first job, first AI job after college, you don't need a perfect GPA, believe me, okay? Because company is going to see your projects, your work, your skills, okay? And this is the most important, okay? They're not going to look for your perfect 95, more percent, right? They're looking for actually the person who is very good in decision making, excellent communication skills, good storyteller, good in building the models, good in programming. They're looking for those things. If one student have a 90% or 97% marks and they are not able to build the model, company is not going to hire them. Okay, keep in your mind this thing. So now start working on this, like the things which I have shared with you. Okay, now we will do one thing. Now I will show you the first my playlist. Okay, let me share my screen. Here we go. Okay. So on my channel, you will find all these. This is a complete Python. See, I told you if you want to start learning the Python, okay. So here I have made the complete Python, how you can learn for AI, for web development, or for if you want to become desktop application developer. So you can watch this video. You will get an idea what you need to learn even under specific under Python. Okay, because Python is also not a small programming language. This is the big, like the so many libraries, but you don't need to be masters in all libraries, dear friends. You don't need to be master in all libraries. Keep in your mind, you don't need to be afraid from this. Okay, there is a no burden. This is the big, you have a plenty of time. Even you are in the 4th year and there are 6 months left in your finishing your graduation, you can start following the approach which I have shared with you. If you are done with your degree, you can also follow the same. You can spend more time now, you are lucky too, right? And then I will show you the other playlist too. This is the machine learning. You can find the end-to-end machine learning project. Okay, and here you can find the real-time success story too. He was my student actually. He's from non-technical background. Okay, but he is today successfully working in USA, as a data analyst. Okay, he also struggled a lot. So you can watch his video how he can become the data analyst, and this is a Python playlist. Okay, so I keep uploading the things, but you can, if you want to take a taste of the Python, just watch this video. Only it will take 10 minutes. You will get idea. And then this is the one, this is video for the non-technical person especially. Because the problem with the students is sometimes it happen, they just start looking for the code. They don't try to understand the logic actually. And when in real time they need to write a code, even in the coding challenge interview, they stuck. Okay. So this is not a good idea, wise idea to learn the Python or any programming language. How I have learned, I have shared ideas in this. Okay, and this is the complete roadmap as I showed you. And this is, I try to cover up all data types, data structures, which is mandatory in 90 minutes. You can also watch this video. Okay. Um, these are the other topics. Okay, which is the most popular, and I am for emphasizing on each topic of the Python 2, where I am also explaining how you can use this Python data type, data structure in AI. I'm not simply teaching a Python. Like this is a method, you can do this. No, I'm telling you as well where it is useful in your data analysis and machine learning. Okay, so you will get everything under one roof. And then you can find my machine learning playlist too. Okay, and there are many tips. So you can see around the all playlist. Okay, here is I was talking actually. Here you will find the future proof your career with top AI jobs in 2025. You can watch this video. Okay, and this is the AI is creating more than is destroying. Some students are really worried AI is taking over everywhere, but you don't need to worry. I will do a one live session where I will tell you on which like the more topics which will help you to stay longer in AI in long term, where the AI can never replace you. Okay, so this is the AI for beginners. This is a complete roadmap. You should watch that video too. Data visualization series, statistics series, you will find all playlist, but you need to look around. Okay, now I will tell you now very like the good thing. Look at this. So first of all, I will show you the actually GitHub where you can build the your strong portfolio and how it should look. I prepare this actually especially for the video. I'm not you because I don't need now the job portfolio. I used to maintain my everything on my Google Drive, but I made it for you guys. Here, look at this. So let's say this is your classification project. Your README file should be very good like this. See, okay, and here I have mentioned about my about my company. And look at this, look at its structure and readme file. See, so your portfolio should be like this, proper directory structure. Okay, I have made a detailed video on this. I have uploaded yesterday too, and but I have made the detailed video on the full data structure. You will find it my in data science portfolio for AI video. Okay, this is a problem statement strategy. Okay, here I have added the visualization. Look at this. Okay, I will share the video link in the description box too, but you should watch this. Okay, your profile should look like this for every project. This is not for one project, every project. Okay, now I will show you the actually Kaggle. These are the competitions I am talking about. Okay, this is all ongoing competition. These are the open competitions. Some students don't rely on this. They thought they are just wasting their time. Believe me, this is going to be your best friend. If you start using from today, even you complete the project in 4 months, 5 months, this is your choice, but you can build your teammate, your buddy here. You can do the discussions where you are facing the problem, right? And both of, or maybe team of 3 or 5, all of you can solve the problem together. Even you can make the buddy from your college too. Let's ask them, let's do the Titanic project, right? So this is the best way to build up your skills, right? And then they also conduct the paid one too, but this you should join once you are expert. Okay, I never recommend my any student who is not expert. Okay, it will because this is a tough level. Okay, and here you can start it. It will give you the chance to build your leaderboard here. Okay, and then you can find the data sets here. It contains the all data sets, right? You can take an idea from the notebook, right? So you will find many like the plenty of things here. Okay. And now I was telling you the Medium one. I think all of you know about the Medium, right? So this is a popular, start writing the articles on this. Believe me, if you are learning and writing, you will become, definitely it will clear your fundamentals. Okay. Sometimes when we are implementing, we are not understanding too much, but when we write, you found the mistakes. Okay. And the most important is your LinkedIn. Start making your network. Actually, you can follow me on this too. Okay, this is my company profile. Okay, here you go. You can follow me here, this one. Okay, and if you want, I can build the group here where I can post about the new data projects in the market or something. Just drop a comment in the comment box if you want to me build this one. Okay, and if you like or would like to, here, this is my profile. Okay, this is the one. Okay, see, I have uploaded my all certifications here. Okay, and my projects too. Okay, now I don't need it too much, right? So I don't use it too much. Okay, but you can show your presence online here. You can join the your communities, AI community, and you can join the groups of AI. This is very, very beneficial for you. If you need a help, just let me know. Okay, and this was the like all about over today's session. Okay, and drop a comment. Are you going to follow this is like the approach or strategy or not? Believe me, if you are going to follow up, you will definitely will reach or achieve your goal. Okay. Okay, before ending this session, I would like to add some tips how I used to utilize my time. Let's say you went to the college and you have some lessons professors are not coming, right? So your chapter lesson is that time slot is free. Maybe you want to do a fun with your friends, right? But my suggestion is how you can divide the time. Half time you can utilize with your fun with the friends, but half an hour utilize, go to the library, read any article. What is AI? What are the different roles, right? There are a newspaper, there are several books. Try to understand the life cycle of data science, something like that. Pick up the some light topic, utilize your time. And if you are on the phone, just look around the jobs, right? Your dream companies, your small companies, specifically in your city. Which companies are offering the jobs? Okay, and then if you wake up early in the morning, just to spend 10 minutes, even you are doing the brush, just set up in your like the phone, I'm going to watch this video in the morning, just listen it. Okay, like I used to make a motivational videos or the tips video, so just listen it. Okay, even you can watch it while you are traveling, you are going by the bus, you are going with the car, you're right. And if the professor is not coming, just watch those things. This is called the passion. This is how I used to utilize my time. I never waste my time. Okay, so this is a like a thing you can do, right? Only where I was lacking in my portfolio project actually. Okay, because I was focusing on the communication skills, on my soft skills, how I can explain in a non-technical way, right? That's why I'm teaching today. I have worked with many like the big companies, like the I have used to teach the students like in the USA from the good universities, right? And like the university in the Texas, right? This is the company uh, Prodosio. Okay, so I used to work in that too. Okay, and apart from that, I used to teach the students from the Canadian University too. And if you need a help, any kind of help, right? Here, the like in the over in the abroad, if you have a like a plans to come abroad and you want to settle down here, what is the value of AI? How the people are getting the jobs here in AI? Then I can also guide you in that scenario too. Okay, and this was the all about the over today's session. I really want you to be expert in AI. If you have any problem, I'm with you. I'm your mentor. So just drop a comment. Feel free. Don't feel shy. Okay. And you can book a meeting and you can join the WhatsApp group. I have already shared the link on my channel. Okay. You will find it in the homepage. Thank you so much. See you in the next video.